Hello again, and glad you are back. Hopefully you've been having fun and adding a bunch of recipes to your foodGizmo recipe box. In this video, I will demonstrate how easy it is to create menus from the recipes in your recipe box. Menu planning is a great way to organize a weekly meal plan for busy families on the go, or assist you when planning a party. Let's move on to see how easy it is to create a menu. First, you must be logged into foodGizmo as a member, so let's start there. From your recipe box, click on the Menus tab. You will be taken to the menu screen, as you see here. I'd like to highlight the features of the menu. Upon entering the menu, you will be taken to the day view of the current day. In this example, we're on November 19th. But if you're planning a menu for a future date, that's no problem. Click on the arrow next to today, and you can choose any date from the calendar. You can even navigate between months. So let's get back to the menu. You can plan meals for the day, like you see here, or for the week, or if you're really organized, for the month. Let's see what each of those look like. I'm going to start off with the daily menu. This is a single day view that you can add recipes to in the breakfast, lunch, or dinner column. To add recipes to the menu, simply drag a recipe from your recipe box and drop it onto one of those columns. I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to highlight the recipe from my recipe box. I'm going to left click, and while holding my mouse button down, I'm going to drag the recipe across and drop it onto the menu. It's as easy as that. You would repeat that same step for each recipe you would like to prepare for that day. Now let's move on to plan for a week. If you'd like to plan out what you'll be preparing for the week, select the week link, and the menu view changes from day to week, as you can see here. Something to point out. Notice the recipe that you added in the day view? You can see it here. That is because each view is simply a calendar, and you can see what you have chosen to prepare for the day regardless of the view you are in. You will see that as we continue to build our menus. To add recipes to your plan for the week, it's the same process as adding recipes for the day. Select the recipe and drag it onto the menu and drop it on. Now, if you're really organized, you can create a menu plan for a month. Click on the month link, and your menu view changes to a monthly calendar, as you can see here. Same process to add recipes. Select the recipes and drag it to the day you plan on preparing that recipe. Again, simply repeat it until all recipes have been added to your calendar. So now that you've added recipes to your menu, you might see some changes that you might like to make. Maybe you'd like to prepare a particular recipe on a different day. That's no problem. Just drag a recipe to a different day and drop it on. Pretty simple, huh? Possibly you might have changed your mind and you've chosen that you don't want to prepare that recipe. You can easily remove it from your menu list by simply clicking on the red X. You'll be prompted to make sure that you want to remove that recipe. Click on OK and the recipe is gone from your menu. Please note, it only removes the recipe from the menu view. That recipe is still there in your recipe box. We also provide you with the ability to print your menu. To do this, click on the Print button and select which view you might like to print. You might like to print the day view, the week view, or the month view. Click Print and you'll have your menu. So that concludes how to use and build menus. Hopefully you found this video helpful and informative. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn about other features on foodGizmo. Happy searching, happy cooking, and enjoy. Bye-bye.